In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Samsung TV after power surge. 1. Check the power supply. Ensure the power cord is securely connected for both the TV and the wall outlet. Test the wall outlet by plugging in another device to verify its functionality. Look for the LED indicator on the TV's front panel to confirm if it's receiving power. Use the correct remote to control and select the appropriate input source, which is 2. You need to verify the input source. Access the TV's input settings to ensure the correct input source is selected. Check the HDMI cable connection between the TV and the device and replug if necessary. 3. Reset the TV. Unplug the TV from the power source and wait for a few minutes. Press and hold the power button on the TV for about 30 seconds to discharge any residual power. And plug the TV back on and using the remote control. Follow the initial step process once the TV restarts. 4. Check the cables. Ensure all cables are securely connected to both the TV and the connected devices. Inspect cables for any signs of damage and replace them if necessary. If available, try using different cables to connect the device to the TV. And last 5. Update the software. Check for any available software updates for your Samsung TV. And follow the manufacturer's instructions to update the TV software to the latest version. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.